In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Kensington Primary won and decided to send Richmond Park Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Richmond Park Prep. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Micah?
After Micah. Nahum.
Nahum.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. Kensington. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Amos?
Obadiah. Obadiah.
Correct. Science. Richmond Park. What does a fish use to extract oxygen from water during respiration?
Use to extract oxygen from its gills.
It's gills.
Correct. Science. Kensington. Adult frogs breathe through their lungs and which other organ?
It's skin. It's skin.
Correct. Richmond Park. A visual question for you. Jamaican affairs. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Richard Vernon.
Richard Vernon.
Mayor of Montego Bay. That's correct. Jamaican affairs. A visual question for you, Kensington. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andrew Swaby. Andrew Swaby.
Incorrect. Leon Thomas, Mayor of Portmore. English language. Richmond Park. Spell fascinating.
Fascinating.
Mine, Fascinating.
Correct. English language. Kensington. Spell lyrical.
Mine. Lyrical.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Richmond Park. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
King Harold.
King Harold.
Correct. Television. A visual question. Kensington. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Gingerbread man. The gingerbread man.
Correct. General knowledge. Richmond Park. On which continent is the tiny nation Eswatini?
Eswatini, which continent? Eswatini.
Africa.
Africa.
Correct. General knowledge. Kensington. On which continent is the tiny nation of Bahrain?
Asia. Asia.
Correct. Social studies. Richmond. In what year did the Jamaican dollar first go into circulation, replacing the British currency?
Year.
1969.
1969.
Correct. Kensington. Social studies. In what year did the Emancipation Park in New Kingston, Jamaica, officially open to the public?
1962. 1962.
Incorrect. 2002. Richmond Park. Music. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican artist.
Tess and Chin.
Correct. Music. A visual question. Kensington. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican artist.
Nadine Sutherland. Nadine Sutherland.
Incorrect. Elaine. Richmond Park. Mathematics. What is 19,690 rounded to the nearest hundred?
19,700.
19,700.
Correct. Kensington. Mathematics. What is 22,340 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
20,000.
Correct. Sports. Jamaican affairs. Who is the chairman of the People's National Party, PNP?
Chairman PNP.
Angela Brownberg.
Angela Brownberg.
Dr. Angela Brownberg. That's correct. Jamaican affairs. Kensington. Who is the general secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP?
Horace Chang. Horace Chang.
Dr. Horace Chang. That's correct. Richmond. Sports. From which country, which Caribbean country is the West Indian cricketer Shea Hope?
Shea Hope. Which Caribbean country?
Jamaica.
Barbados.
Correct. Sports. Kensington. From which Caribbean country is the West Indian cricketer Brandon King?
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
Incorrect. Jamaica. Science. Richmond. What part of the plant is its reproductive structure?
Reproductive structure.
The flower.
The flower.
Correct. Science. Kensington. What is the movement of pollen from the anthers to the stigma of a flower called?
Pollination. Pollination.
Correct. Richmond Park. And we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Richmond Park on 12 and Kensington Primary on 8. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Do not take rides from a stranger when you are traveling to or from school. only take the transportation as instructed or provided by your parents or guardians. An important tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.